I indicated very clearly that I project the assemblies will pass, and I think that would be important for the viewers to read and know that I have done that projection, that I strongly suspect the assemblies would pass. Yes, as at that time I had done a survey, and the BBI was unpopular. I didn't talk about assemblies. In fact, when I talked about, I didn't say it was unpopular among the assemblies. I said I suspect the assemblies will pass the bill. I know how government works. I know it's very easy to mobilize and manipulate MCAs, and therefore I knew it would be very easy for a government that is strategic and strong to mobilize and ensure MCAs endorse the BBI bill. When you look at that letter, I was saying BBI was unpopular as at that time. As to whether it will go up or it will remain unpopular, I think I may have to do another survey and confirm.